Good afternoon and welcome back to another caravan video, and in this video I'm going to show you some new equipment, well, new to us equipment. Now before I do that, I'll show you something I discovered with this caravan cover since the last video. Now what you can do is you can roll this side up so you can get to the caravan. There's also a zip down here. So what I'll do is I'll get all this rolled up and then we'll get into the caravan. Now I could leave it like this, which is alright if I'm just wanting to get in and out of the caravan while it's here at the storage place, but I'm going to roll up this side as well. And with that done, let's go inside the caravan. Okay, let's go inside, we'll have a quick look, make sure everything's alright. Yep, everything seems to be fine. And if you remember, last video I did a floor repair. There we go, no sponginess there, and same here, don't have any sponginess there neither, so that was definitely fixed and it's all ready to go. And we've actually booked 34 nights at Thornwick Bay, so I might do some video out there. Obviously I can't get any time off work, my other half will be there all the time, so I'll be up there at weekends. Anyway, let's start showing you some of this this gear we've got. Okay, we're going to start off with the saucepans. If you remember these, I featured these in a previous video and I got these really cheap in Argos. I think something like $11.99. But you'll find it on one of my previous caravan videos. If you look up my caravan video playlist, you should find it, hopefully. Can't remember which video it is. So I'm going to be upgrading these slightly with these. Now, not only do we get an extra pan, milk pan, but all these are copper bottomed. So really good quality saucepans, and we picked them up second hand for a tenner, which wasn't bad, and the 3 saucepans come with lids. So it just goes to show that quality does sometimes come cheap. Not if it's brand new, obviously, because you've still got to pay if it's brand new, but second hand you pick up some absolute bargains. So these will be going in the Caravan. Next is our kettle and toaster. I mean, there's nothing wrong with these, but we've got better ones, as I'll show you. This is our toaster and the matching kettle, and they're both made by Swan. I don't know if you can see that. Now, these are what we actually had got when we first moved into our house. So they are decent. We moved into our house in 2012, which is nearly 7 years ago at the time of filming. So yep, these have lasted quite well. So we'll be having these in a Caravan. And a little something we're going to be adding to our cutlery set. These knives. Nice little addition. They don't weigh much and just gives you so much more options, you know, when you're preparing food and stuff. You're not having to make do with what you got, so it's always useful to have a few more items of cutlery. So I don't know where I'll be putting these, because you know, if I put them like that, they'll fall out. So sort something out, and a nice little addition to our cutlery. And last but certainly not least is a microwave oven. We've never had a microwave oven in the Caravan, but it's useful to have, and it brings us into the 21st century. A lot of the new Caravans have a microwave. I don't know where I'm going to put it. Probably can use it in the awning on a table, you know, like we do with the kettle and the toaster. And it's just another useful thing, especially if we're going, you know, partner's going to be away for nearly 5 weeks. So, and with all the other equipment we've also bought a little washing machine as well. Should be pretty well self-sufficient. You won't even need to go to the laundry, and just so much more flexibility. I mean, we've managed without it, but it's nice to have. Now, a little something I'm also considering replacing is this head unit. I mean, it works and everything, but sometimes it just drops down. And also with you know, loose wires in the gas locker, it's a potential hazard, especially with the gas bottle. So what I was thinking of doing was fitting one of those Bluetooth units that, you know, it doesn't have a CD player. It's about half, you know, it's about half the depth, and it'll be obviously be a bit light, so it's not going to fall through when its Caravan's being towed. So that's something I'm considering. I mean, don't mind losing the CD, because when we have our little telly on here, the little one, it's got a built-in DVD player, so I can always play discs on that. So yeah, that's a little something else I've been thinking about. Well, that's it for this particular video. Hope you enjoyed it. I hadn't planned on doing any Caravan videos, but with the booking we made at Thornwick Bay and some replacement equipment, I thought I'd get a video out. Anyway, please remember to like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to ring that notification bell if you want notification of any videos that get uploaded. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see thee.